Here is a list of documents plus settings you need to put in place to get your YouTube channel monetized. So you've grown your YouTube channel to 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, and you're getting ready to get monetized. These documents are a must. You have them before your channel is monetized, and it's important you start putting them in place. So once your channel is monetized, you'll be able to supply these documents to YouTube, get monetized, and have your money sent to you. Why do you have to get this document ready even before your channel is monetized? The reason is because the very moment your channel is monetized and you create your AdSense account, YouTube expects you to submit this document in 30 days. If after 30 days you're not able to submit this document, adverts will be suspended on your videos. So adverts are going to be playing on your videos, but you will not make money. You don't want to be in that position where adverts are playing on your videos, but you cannot make money from these adverts. So it's important to get this document ready before you hit the monetization threshold. So the moment you create your AdSense account, you submit all these important documents, money starts dropping in your account. You can't spend all these weeks, months growing your YouTube channel, and it's time to cash out just because you don't have the document or you don't know how to go about it. You are losing the money. So let's talk about these documents you need to monetize your YouTube channel. There are two types of verification you need to do on your channel. The first one is identity verification, and the second one is address verification. So identity verification is actually where you are going to submit these documents. To get to that stage, you submit this. First thing is that you need to go to your YouTube channel and go to the settings section. Open your YouTube dashboard, desktop version, then scroll down here and click on this button that says settings, so we can go on and activate this. Once it opens, select channel and click on feature eligibility, this one here. If you look at this, you see that there are three things that need to be enabled. 2 out of the 3 are enabled. The reason is because this channel has not achieved the monetization threshold. Once you achieve the monetization threshold, you need to come to this third one and make sure it's enabled. All you need is to touch it. If you scroll down here, you are going to see what it is: advanced features. All of these things have to be verified, enabled for you to be monetized. Okay, so you see intermediate feature is enabled. We need to pair it with one more option, which can be either video verification, valid ID, or channel history. So once you fulfill this condition, it's going to be enabled, and then we can now go on and apply for channel monetization. This is yet another feature you need to be sure that is enabled for you to get monetized. You actually have to activate this before you go on with your AdSense account creation, and that is to verify your phone number. If you look at this, you can see that this phone number is verified. If your number is not verified, you cannot be monetized. So it's a must you make sure that these features are enabled, so you'll be able to go on with your AdSense account creation successfully. Make sure that all these functions are enabled. This way, you'll be in good conditions to get monetized. Now, the documents. So there are a couple of documents YouTube requires you submit. The first one is government issued ID card. And here are some of these ones you can use. Driver's license. We have international passport, and we have voter's card. If you're a Nigerian, you're going to see the next option, which is NIN. National identification number. Please ignore that because it doesn't work. If you use NIN as your ID, it will be rejected because there's no address on it. So you should just ignore the NIN and go for one of these 3 options: driver's license, international passport, and your voter's card. The next document you need to get ready is your bank details, your bank account, which is the account that YouTube is going to send the money to. Once your channel is monetized, you can choose any of the currencies you want to monetize in, which is the currency you want YouTube to send your money in. It can be dollar, pounds, euro, and even naira. But as a Nigerian, I would never advise you go for naira. You have to go for foreign currencies. The reason is because if you go for naira, YouTube is still going to send your money in dollars to your bank, and then your bank is going to convert official rates and send to you, which is usually smaller than black market rates. So you need to go for dollar or pounds or euro. So just before you get monetized, you need to create a bank account that allows you to receive foreign currencies, which is dollar, for example. If you're a Nigerian and you want to receive your payment from YouTube, you need to create a current account, which is also called domiciliary account. So domiciliary account will give you access to 4 different currencies: naira, dollar, pounds and euro. So you go on to send YouTube your dollar account or euro account, depending on the currency you want to monetize in. Now, here's an important secret, the reason why I'm making this video. When you are creating your bank account or your IDs, the address on any and all of these documents must be the same. It must be uniformed. So this is what you're going to do. If you already have a driver's license that you want to use for your verification and you've not created a bank account, you should use the address on the ID, which is your driver's license, to create your bank account. Even if the address there is no longer your residence, you're no longer living in that address, please use that address on the ID to create your bank details. If you already have bank details, use the address of your bank details to get your ID ready. This is very important because if there's discrepancy in the address, you will find it difficult to receive your payment from Google. The second verification is your address verification, which is about your postal code and your PMB. So with Google search, you're going to find your postal code and put it there. Then about your PMB, you would actually have to go out and look for the nearest post office around you. This is the post office details you're going to submit in your Google AdSense account. So when your AdSense pin is ready, this is actually where they are going to mail your AdSense pin. You simply go over there and pick it up. So you need to go out there and look for the nearest functional post office in your area that you're going to submit to Google. Through this, they will send your pin to you. So this is Google AdSense pin. YouTube will send it to the PMB, the PO box address you supplied while creating your AdSense account. And it will be sent to you once you earn up to $100 in your AdSense account. When it's delivered to you, all you need is to open it. You will see 6-digit code in it. You are going to take this 6-digit code and key it into your AdSense account. The very moment it's approved, your money will drop to your bank account. For people in Nigeria, sometimes you don't get this pin delivered to you immediately, and it's okay. If it's not delivered to you immediately, you can actually verify online by chatting with YouTube staff. They are going to do that for you online. So you start earning your money, start receiving your payment, pending when this is mailed to you. So don't fold your hands and start waiting until it's sent to you for you to start earning from YouTube. I hope this helps. If your channel is about to get monetized, let's know in the comment section. Tell us how many subscribers you have and what is left to get monetized. I can't wait to celebrate your success. Please give this video a thumbs up if you find it valuable. And remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Get to the comment section and connect with other creators who are waiting to connect with you. I am rooting for you. You should also root for yourself. See you in my next video. Bye.